Which 6-volt battery is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Camco Double Battery Box. The Camco Double Battery Box caught my eye with its heavy-duty design and universal fit. Priced at $35.99, it's affordable and practical for anyone needing a safe battery storage solution. If you want a reliable box to keep your RV batteries secure, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This box can hold two 6V Group GC2 batteries or two 12V Group 2424M batteries, giving you flexibility depending on your setup. The inner dimensions of 21.5 inches by 7.38 inches by 11.316 inches ensure it fits most standard battery types. Plus, it's made of corrosion-resilient polymer, which means it's built to withstand the elements and keep your batteries safe. With a stellar rating of 4.6 stars from over 3,300 reviews, it's clear that others have found it dependable too. Now, some people complained about its size not accommodating larger batteries, which can be frustrating. Here's the thing though, if you're using standard batteries, this box is perfect and provides great protection. It's not a deal breaker for most RV owners. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy battery box that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a box that holds oversized batteries. Considering its features, it's a solid value for the price. Now, if that size limitation bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Interstate Batteries 6V HD Lantern Battery. Next up is the Interstate Batteries 6V HD Lantern Flashlight Battery, priced at $36.99. What stood out to me is its versatility for outdoor use, making it a great choice for RV enthusiasts. If you want a dependable power source for your camping gear, this one's worth considering. The heavy-duty carbon zinc construction ensures it can handle demanding situations, and it's specifically designed for low-drain applications, which is perfect for your RV lighting and equipment. Plus, it's backed by a 12-month performance warranty, showing that the brand stands behind its product. With a 4.5-star rating from over 330 reviews, it's proven to be reliable. But honestly, for the price and performance, it delivers consistent power for your needs without the hassle of recharging. This is ideal for you if you need a reliable battery for outdoor activities. Skip this if you only want rechargeable options. The value is solid for the performance it provides. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for long-lasting needs. Product number 3, Mighty 6V5 AH Rechargeable Battery. Coming in at $49.99, the Mighty 6V5 AH Rechargeable Sealed Lead-Acid Battery stood out for its maintenance-free feature. This is a fantastic choice for those who want hassle-free power in their RV. If you're looking for a battery that you can rely on without constant upkeep, this is definitely worth your attention. This battery boasts a capacity of 5 Ah and is designed to last a long time. The sealed lead-acid design means it's spill-proof and can be mounted in any position, which is a game-changer for RV setups where space is tight. It also performs well in both high and low temperatures, making it versatile for any camping condition. With a 4.6-star rating from 64 reviews, it's got a solid reputation among users looking for reliability. Now, some reviews mentioned it didn't last as long as expected under heavy load. Here's the thing, if you plan to use it for lighter applications, it performs well and offers great peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you prioritize low maintenance and safety. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty power for high-demand devices. For what it offers, the price is quite reasonable. Now, if you're looking for something with more power capacity, the next one is definitely for you. Product number 4, VMAX V6 225 Battery Bank. Next, we have the VMAX V6 225 priced at $1,159.96. This is a bit of an investment, but if you want a robust battery bank for your RV, this one is definitely worth considering. If you need serious power for long trips, take a serious look at this. That means you can run your RV appliances without stressing about battery life. The military-grade plates provide extra performance and service life, making it a reliable choice for your adventures. Plus, they're maintenance-free and safe for indoor use, which is a huge plus for comfort while camping. With a 4.2-star rating from over 70 reviews, it's trusted by many. However, I have to say the price is quite high, which might be a deal-breaker for some. But look, if you're serious about off-grid living or long road trips, this kind of investment pays off in peace of mind and convenience. This is perfect if you're an RVer who needs extensive power for multiple devices. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or only need basic power. Given its capacity, it's a worthy investment for serious travelers. Now, for a more budget-friendly option, let's discuss the final product. Product number 5. VMAX6225 GC2 AGM Battery. Last but not least, we have the VMAX6225 GC2 AGM Deep Cycle Battery, priced at $289.89. This battery is a great option for those looking for reliable and powerful storage without the hefty price tag of the previous model. If you want a dependable battery for your RV without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth your attention. With 225 amp-hours, this battery provides solid performance for various applications, including golf carts and RVs. It's designed to be maintenance-free and features a sealed construction, meaning no harmful gases are released during operation. This is not only safer but also adds to its longevity. The battery is rated at 4.5 stars from 118 reviews, so it has a solid track record. However, some users did mention it's quite heavy, which can be an issue if you're concerned about weight in your RV. But honestly, for the power and reliability, most owners find it manageable and a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable battery for your RV or other electric vehicles. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight. For its capacity and features, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid lineup of batteries. Each offers something unique, whether it's power, price, or ease of use. To wrap it up, we've covered some great options for 6-volt batteries for your RV. From the affordable and practical Camco double battery box to the high-capacity VMAX models, there's something for every need and budget. Consider what you prioritize most, whether it's price, power, or maintenance. Happy camping!